Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. Today's video we're talking about the best gain deals over at the Dollar General. So when these two stack, there's a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle, and as you can see on both of the coupons, valid till the 29th. So the day after, there should be a new gain coupon, so we'll see what might happen. If you're going to do this before that date, it's going to be an extra $5. And if you could, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and to ensure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia, thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so a couple rules for this. Saturday, May the 29th, you have the biggest savings when the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 stack. So you're theoretically getting $10 of savings on a $30 basket. Can you say awesome? You got to get $30 on the nose of gain merchandise. If you're $29.98, you're 2 cents short from hitting that goal. So $30 or more to get the 2 boosters to activate. Use your Dollar General app to scan. At the very least, you need to see that 5 off of 30 attaching to said product, and there's so many items in the gain line that sometimes there's some innocuous scent that's not programmed in. So just really pay attention. That's your job. Any issues you might have, don't be shy to void your transaction. And in not all the cities, the 10 off of 30 is in fact working. I do know that Illinois and Michigan, it's a go. But some people really struggle with it. So if you've had issues in the past, maybe just factor in the extra $5. Now, just to give you a peek, I do a variation of baskets on Saturday, and I usually put them over on my Instagram. I don't make a video on Saturday morning to accompany this. But yeah, you can get your baskets down to like $2 and some change. There's a lot of magic with that 5 off of 25. And then if you're gain head, because I know a lot of you love gain, as you can see, I got my basket a couple weeks back down to $8. And how you know your boosters are coming off, see where it says SS? That's when you know both of the boosters are stacking. So like to pay $8 and some change for this basket, it's really amazing for this much gain. So that is just great. Now, one thing I do want to address is the clearance event. So the last clearance event that we had, I think, was in February. So we're due for one. And I know there was a ton of rumors that people were saying, oh, it's going to happen on Memorial Day weekend. There hasn't been a memo. Nothing's happened. So I believe it isn't happening. Unless your store, the manager will key it in and go 50% off, which some stores, if they have an overabundance, they might, but then everything has to be manually entered in at 50% off, especially the clearance merchandise. That's the only thing, unless your store is doing it, but that's not kind of like for all of us. But I think the next event for all the Dollar Generals will probably be the first week of June or the second week of June. I have gone through the dates for the last, I think, 3 years of this event, and that's when it's popping. So just to clarify that, because there's a lot of people that were saying, oh, it's going to be on this date. And a lot of people really wanted this because their clearance sections are really full, but you just have to wait for it. So I'm thinking the first or second week of June. And once I have that information, videos will be coming, and I will also do one for the POG stuff too. You guys seem to really enjoy that, the last one. So just brace yourself, probably sometime in June as per last year's information. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital. All of the deals for this video are digital. So we're going to need the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 loaded for this deal. Again, we want to see the stack, so we're going to be going there on Saturday, the 29th, to make the deal happen. So please make sure you have both of these loaded. Okay, first item that we're going to grab is 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain. If you look lower at the bottle, see where it says Gain? And then we're going to need this $1 off 2 digital loaded. We're going to grab one of these guys for $13.50, which is the Gain Fling, 51 count. And then we need this $3 digital coupon loaded. 2 of these Febreze plugs for $5 on the nose, and then we need the 5 off of 2 digital coupon loaded for this deal. And then the final item that we're going to grab is one of the Gain dish soaps for $2. And then we have this $1 digital coupon loaded. Okay, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this one. 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain multi-surface cleaners at $3 each is 6. 1 Gain Fling, $13.50, that's the 51 count. 2 Febreze with Gain, those plugs, is 10 buckos, and then 1 Gain dish soap for 2. So the total here is $31.50. Punch in your phone number as the cashier is scanning the items. When the final pay button is pressed, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off. Those are the Dollar General coupons, along with $10 of digitals. You're left with paying $11.50 out of pocket for the 6 items, shaking it out to $1.91 per product. That is a really fantastic deal, guys. Okay, so the next deal that we have again is digital. So we're going to just look at this again. We need our 2 boosters loaded, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have that. And remember, all digital coupons are of a one-time use. We're going to grab something off of this bingo chart for $3.95. So whatever product you want. And we have this dollar digital. We're going to grab one of these big mamas for $13.50. And then we have a $3 coupon. Load that one as well. And then we're going to grab 2 of these Gain plugs. And then we have this 5 off of 2. So look on the end caps too for these plugs if you can't find them in the regular air care aisle. And then one of these waxes, just one for $3. And then we have this dollar digital coupon that we're going to load as well. So looking at the math for this one Gain detergent for $3.95, 1 Gain fling, 51 count for $13.50, 2 Febreze Gain oils at $5 each, that's 10, and 1 Febreze Gain wax melt for $3. So the total for your basket is $30.45. As the cashier's scanning all of your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $10 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $10.45 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.09 per product. Okay, deal number 3 is again digital. So digital coupons are the way to go this week. We have our 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Please make sure that you have these 2 loaded. Now, just to show you, we're grabbing one of these, which is the $5, these little plugs, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. So, not the biggest savings, but putting it in a $30 basket, I think we can work with it. Remember, it needs the Gain logo like visually there. We were also going to grab one of these guys for $3, and we have a $1 digital coupon to go with that. This is the air care basket, that is for sure. We're grabbing 2 of these for $10. Then we have that 5 off of 2, and this 5 off of 2 is expiring on Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. And then $13.50, one of these Gain flings. And then we have that wonderful $3 coupon. I'll load that one for this deal. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this one. 1 Febreze with Gain, that plug for $5. 1 Febreze with Gain wax for $3. 2 Febreze Gain plugs for $10. Remember, for all those products, you need that Gain logo on it, and use the Dollar General app to scan. 1 Gain fling, 51 count for $13.50. So the total for this basket is $31.50. As the cashier's scanning your products, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will be coming off, along with $10 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $11.50 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.30 each. Not too bad considering you have a massive container of Gain flings. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there and have a lot of fun this Saturday. I'll catch you in the next one.